Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will try to show how to create a data asset in Azure Machine Learning. Whether you are working with data assets for training, validation, or testing, this is an essential skill to know. And before getting started, in the last couple of videos, I tried to show you how to create all of these, as you can see in this list, these components or services. Uh, with several steps, with several, let's see, ways. And in today's video, I will try to show how to create a data assets manually. And let's go to the uh, dashboard. I mean, Azure dashboard. Let me just go back. I'll just close this one. Okay, now we are in Azure, I mean, this workspace demo pipeline. Then I will go to studio, launch studio. Now in this video, in this assets, I will click in data. Now you can see here in the last couple of videos, I showed you how to create data stores. And today I will try to create a data assets. And from here, you can just click create, try to type the name of your data asset, a data asset. And this you can see here, this file is recommended in most scenarios. You can read this, but let me just see data asset 01. And here's the description. And in this, you can see there's several options, and you can go, for instance, here's the data types versus data asset types. And the Azure Machine Learning CLI Fusion 2 and Python Fusion is now available for these pipelines, for these data types. And for you can just read all of these. Now I will try to choose this tabular because in the last couple of videos, I showed you how to create and load the data from locally. I mean, locally, and so store it in the data store. Now we need only to make a version of this data into data asset, and I will try to select tabular. Now in here you can see there are several versions, and would you like to load your data from Azure storage or from local files? This could be also one option to load the data from your files from your desktop or and from the database and URL from web. Just put the URL and or from open datasets. So I'll try to choose this from Azure storage. So you can see here, create a data storage from registered data storage services, include blob storage, Azure file, and Azure. Now, last video, I tried to I load the video or create a blob storage or data store. Now I will say click next. Now there are several data stores. You can see here, select the data stores. The last one we created was using this one here, and I will try to click OK. I mean next. Now our data is in data folder, and this is our here data. There's some advanced setting, but it's not needed. I'll just click next. So you can see here this the file is that I have loaded. It's CSV file, so it's delimited, and the delimiter was comma and no skip rows. It's not skipped, and all files have the same headers, of course. Now I will just, if you can, you can just click here to preview. You can see here, this is the name, the data source, its type is storage, Azure storage or blob storage, and these other variables. Let's see attributes. The selected path is this one here, and you can see the type of all of these columns. Leaf. Oh, oh, sorry, I did a mistake. So I need just to click data asset 01 tabular data storage from here. Next, I'll just click next. Yeah, and this is the, let's see, the most important features. So, and the column types are automated detected based on the initial subset of the data set and can be updated here. So for instance, as you can see, this area, for instance, it's an integer because it's based on the data examples. It's try to detect the data type, and if it's not integer, you can change it here, for instance. Now let me assume that this is already perfect. I will just click. As you can see, class is a string. This is fine. Now create. Now this data assets, I can use it in my training or testing. And you can see this is the, if you would like to consume this data, version 2, let's see, you just need to copy this file, and I will show you how to do this in the next couple of videos, how to create a notebook or use it in your Python, also stuff in your Python PC. Just copy this and run, you will get the data set. Now you can see here there's also explore, and you can see this is the data stuff, and you can see here there is a profile. This is the first parameter. Let's see the first column. This is the the mean, a medium, and etc. It's the histogram of this area, of only of this area. And you can see here the box plot and the others, mean, variance, median, and all of these. And you can see even the missing value, no missing values, missing count, empty count, error, and etc. This will be give you, let's see, an overview of your data set for each column. And let's go to the class, and you can see this is distributed. The first class has 200. This one is almost 200, and this one here 166. And there's no missing values. This is fine. Now, because we haven't used this data for any way, let's see, training or testing anything, so it's empty. And also the jobs, there's no job till this moment. So the job and models, what are the models, I mean, generated using this data? Let's see. And this we will explain in the next couple of videos. But this is how to show you how to create a data set, a data assets, sorry, with manually, and how to consume this. I will show you also in the next couple of videos. Okay, that's it for today, and next video I will try to show you how to create this data asset, not only manually, but sometimes you need to do some programmatically, or maybe using CLI. Sometimes you need to work with CLI, I mean command lines. And yeah, I will show you how to create the data assets via CLI, Python SDK version 2. As you can see here, I'm working with version 2. Then the last one, or the most important one, is the pipeline, Azure DevOps pipeline, how to create this data assets in this way. So this we will discuss in the next couple of videos. Until then, see you next time. Thanks for watching.